Good morning. We are putting some drain pipes in some fields that have washed a little bit. I'm gonna drop the tripod, but not before I get it in the back seat. Jason's on the track hoe. Pull the dozer down here. I'm about to have to go. My dad jumped on the dozer, gonna push some of that pile of dirt back on the pipe that we've got covered up, and we're getting everything level from the gullies that have kind of been a hassle over the last couple of years. We hadn't had a chance to fix it, and making the most of some dry weather after harvest. But I'm going to take this 24-inch 30-foot pipe right down there where Jason's walking the track hoe to, throw it out. I think he's got the ditch cut. We'll see. And then I'm not about to drain some water. I'm about to go to Tika and reverse drain. I'm gonna pump some water out of a ditch into one of my duck hole fields. So here we go. Putting drain pipes in on one farm and plugging them up on the other. Enjoy. Yeah.
That one probably don't matter. We probably need to put this one as low.
Yeah, because that water's coming this way.
It's going to have more water coming to it.
All right, I'm gonna leave it with Jason. I'm gonna head back to shop, get my irrigation pump. William's gonna come down later and help him get finished up. But got a couple hour road trip at least, depending on how good that pump was.